As you know, business people come to Orlando. Attorney General Holder will come to Orlando this Tuesday. How should the federal government proceed? What would you like to see from the Department of Justice?
Well, first off, let's think about this. This is a tragedy. As a parent and now a grandparent, you just can't imagine losing a child. And so I mourn with Trayvon Martin's parents. I've met them. I introduced them to the Florida Department of Law Enforcement and brought in a special prosecutor. So it's a tragedy. I want to thank the 6 female jurors because it had to be a very emotional decision for them. But you know, we have a jury system, and Trayvon Martin's family said, their representative said they accepted the verdict.
The protests across the nation from late Saturday, if you could speak to those protesters now, what would you tell them? Well,
I think every one of us feels the heartbreak of Trayvon Martin's parents to lose a 17-year-old son. We all wish we could bring him back. But we have a sacred system that works.
The president spoke about that system, didn't he, Governor?
Absolutely. We have a system that works. I think we all have to appreciate the 6 female jurors that put their lives on hold, listened to all the evidence, deliberated, and they made a decision.
Yeah, but within the civil litigation that could come from this, from the Justice Department, from the Attorney General, is it a proper system that after state judicial activity, the federal government step in?
Well, look, we have a great system in our country. We have lots of checks and balances. The federal government gets to make a decision whether they want to pursue something. They'll make that on their own. But look, we have a system in our country that works.
What about some of the laws that are in question here, the stand your ground laws that are only in certain states? Do we need to rethink those after this case?
Well, Sarah, here's what we did. After this happened, I put together a bipartisan task force to go look at it. And they came back and said we shouldn't make any changes.
Should not?
No, we should not make any changes. Look, this is a tragedy. Our state lost a 17-year-old. We wish it had not happened. So we've done the right things. We went back and looked at that law. But look, you can't bring this young man back, and we all wish we could.